4 had one major problem. It was simply too heavy. The thick concrete layer made it difficult to move, and even worse, it still didn't give me the full 3-in-1 function I was looking for: heating, cooking, and practical everyday use. So this time, I decided not to just modify the old design. I literally broke away that thick layer of concrete and started over. My goal is to turn this failed design into something smarter, lighter, and more efficient, especially for the coming winter. So let's see if this expensive mistake can become one of my best DIY heating solutions yet. Now I'll fill the reservoir with water and harness the direct heat from the stove to get free hot water for the winter. As you can see, the stove is burning intensely and cleanly with almost no smoke. While waiting for the water to heat up, I can use this same heat source to cook, ensuring absolutely no energy goes to waste. Next, I'll boil some meat for dinner. Thanks to this powerful, steady heat, the water boils rapidly, cooking the meat faster than expected. And look, the water is already piping hot. I can use it for washing my hands, cleaning up, or even soaking my feet to stay warm on freezing winter days. But that's not all. There were still plenty of glowing embers inside the stove, so I can immediately use them to grill some fish. The intense, even heat cooks the fish to a beautiful golden brown finish that looks absolutely appetizing. That's the concept behind this 3-in-1 stove. It provides warmth, hot water, and a way to cook food, all from a single fire. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy this DIY idea.